Hi folks, hope you are doing great. And so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT free version for your preparation of your enrolled agent examination. So please bear with me and I'm going to show you how you can use the ChatGPT for your enrolled agent examination preparation. So I have already that PDF for that Hawk International for the all the three parts. So first of all, I'm gonna use this. If you will see, this is the new brand new the ChatGPT version. I haven't asked anything. I did not train anything. So you can use your existing ChatGPT account or something like that. If you are using existing ChatGPT account, make sure you hit to new chat. So that will give a new user interface and a new chat. So I am going to click over here on a plus button and just I am going to add a file here, and if you will see on a desktop I have that ebooks Passkey version for 1, 2 and 3. So in this video I'm gonna upload that part 1 first, and just I will click and button hit button so that my PDF is going to upload here. So over here I'm writing that consider yourself as my tutor for enrolled agent examination part 1, and please make sure to answer me from this PDF only, and I will need your help to prepare for my upcoming examination for part 1. So just I'm trying to give a prompt to the ChatGPT that I need your help for the preparation of the part 1 examination of the enrolled agent, and have uploaded the PDF. And also I will say please don't use your knowledge, give me answer from this PDF only. So just I'm writing the enter prompt as per the my language, and just I hit a enter button and see the magic. So it says yeah, this is. And also if you will see that it is for the year 2025-2026 exemption prefill to start casting whatever this is ready. So on another screen let me open first of all part 1 PDF for us, so we can make sure that it is giving us a correct answer. So here it is that I have the Hawk International that PDF ready with me. So here is the unit 1 to unit 8. So let me ask, could you please give me list of all units in this part? So I'm just asking to make sure whether it is correctly, that taking all the. So here you go, it is telling that part 1, 2, 3, unit 3, and this is not listed 15 number 18. So if I show you here, see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. See 15 is missing, so 15 is not here, until the 18 everything is here. So 15 is not missing, so it is telling that 15 as well. So this is the that PDF reading. This is the I have given the instruction to the ChatGPT, and he has extracted the everything. It is telling the page number as well. But usually that whenever I am revising, I just want to make sure that I'm just revising from that having a very less number. It is advisable to start from the unit 1, 2, 3, 4 onwards. But suppose if I want that how many units contain how many page number, can you please tell me? So I am again asking, uh, could you please let me know how many pages each unit consisting? So let us see here. So it is taking the response 1 and it was 2, and it is telling that pages 1, 2, and see here it is It is from the unit 1. This is the 33 pages, 29 pages, 17 pages, 35 pages, and all of those things. So it is giving us the two separate, that one page is having a difference. So till the 18, so it is telling that a unit 15 is not listed, so numbering jumps from 14 to 16. So that I can prefer any. So it is telling me that the unit 1 containing 34 pages, unit 2 containing 30 pages, unit 3 pages 18 pages. So suppose if I want to make sure that let's complete the units having a less number of pages, so I can start with that units having 14 pages, that investment income, and then accordingly I can go to another with like 18 or 17 or something like that. So here you go. And let me ask another. Could you please sort, or could you please take summary from unit 1 for my first revision? So suppose if I am on a, that 1 week before the examination, just I want to make sure that I want to quick revise everything. So could you please take summary from unit 1 for first revision, and also make sure to give me example for each and every concepts after completing concept. So just I want example of each and every concept after the concept. So let me hit an enter button and let's see. So it is again reading the document, and we have already previously instructed that do not take your own knowledge. So ChatGPT is using everything from the PDF that we have uploaded. So here you go. It is telling that use the prior year written. So if I go to unit number 1, that's starting from the page number 27. So if you will go to page number 27, it says the use prior year written. So this is the use prior written, taxpayer biographical information like the SSN, 1980, and must verify everything. So see, this is the beauty of the ChatGPT, that you can just that revise the your entire syllabus the day before your examination or something like that if you need it. So this is that 10 every, if you will see, it is containing an example as well. So it is still taking the time, and and if you will see, it is asking me that let me know if you would like the flashcard, practice question, or a quiz based on the unit 1. So I am asking yes, please, flashcards will useful a lot. So let us see. So great choice set. So if you will see that it is taking a flashcard for the unit 1. So flashcard, why should prior year return be reviewed when preparing the return? So it is taking the to check the carryovers, errors in the item info affecting your current return. For example, net operating losses, credit carryover, depreciation. So this is the beauty of the ChatGPT, friends. If you are preparing for your enrolled agent examination part 1, 2, or 3, make sure you use ChatGPT. You can ask anything like this, and also please make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the like button if you like this, and you can also share this channel with your friends here. It is taking 11, 13, 14, 17. Yeah, this is the 17 flashcard that's ChatGPT generated us for the free. But the thing is that, let me ask one another thing. Could you please summarize from unit 2 for me? Let me ask for that, if ChatGPT can summarize from the that unit for 2 for me. So it is telling reading, and yeah, here you go. It is taking the filing status basics, all the filing status. If you have just must gone through that Honk international material, so it is telling that this is this. Or if you will go to, let me show you. If I go to unit number 2, it says the page number 6060, and here you go. So on a 60 it says that that single married filing jointly and everything. So based on your requirement you can definitely ask that who can file the single used if unmarried, divorced or legally separated cannot claim HOH or qualifying surviving spouse and that kind of things. So yeah, you can definitely, and it is also taking an example based on the concepts and everything has been listed here. So this is the that how you can use the chat gpt for your that prompt. But one more thing is that please make sure you watch this video entire, because I am going to share to few detail with you on the last of this video. So after that certain prompts, that if you are using a free version of the chat gpt, it might give you an error like that you have uploaded the PDF, so you cannot use this for the, you need to wait until the 6 or 7 hours or kind of things. So in that case, like you can go to that GPTs. Here you go, GPTs. And so this is the GPTs that is prepared by a licensed version. We are having a, that that paid version of the chat GPT. So one of the person like enrolled agent, let's see, one of the person, Jing Kong Zai, has prepared the that that enrolled agent exam study part 1. So this is the JPTs that is provide detailed explanation guidelines on the enrolled agent examination topics and all of those things. But I have seen that this is that not the latest version, that's not for the 2026, that is for the 2024-2025. So let me ask, can you please give me standard deduction limit? So this is that this is the one of the GPTs, that is the GPTs created by the paid user. So just we can use, see, this is the old version, this is the 2023. So in this case we cannot use that this for the examination purpose, because this is for the last year. So in this case also you can upload that your files, that part 1 that I am uploading here, and I am asking that this is for part 1, please make sure to answer all thing, all from this PDF only, and do not take earlier PDF, that is too old for now. So just I have given instruction that please go through this. See, based on the Passkey, this. So see, previously it was taking that 13850, that for the 2023 limit, but now I have uploaded the Passkey for the 2025 and 2026. Now it is taking that latest version. So whatever the question that now you are asking, like any kind of prompt, so it will take from this PDF only, not for the earlier version. So this is that the beauty of the this GPT. So let me go to my previous version that we have uploaded, and that have given us the tax detail as everything, exam dividend and all of those things. And let me ask another, can you please create flashcards for unit 2? See, so that is creating every time it is taking that this is for the part 1 2025 2026 examination, and it's the flashcard 1 2. This is that short kind of questions and answers. So this is the beauty of the chat gpt account, that friends, you can definitely, I will suggest definitely take the help of this ChatGPT free version for your upcoming examination, for the enrolled agent examination. And also please note that this is a new summary kind of thing, so please make sure you read the entire that book before appearing for an examination, because nowadays that IRS is asking is tricky kind of questions, because that by reading just the questions you might feeling that this option is the correct, but if you will the deep dive and the read the questions again, then you might be that there might be a situation that you might need to change the answers as well. So this is what I have faced while just I have prepared for my examination. So if you see my screen, that's created a 20 flashcards for me, friends. So please make sure that if you are watching this video till now, please make sure to subscribe this channel, because on my upcoming time just I am going to prepare so many kind of such kind of videos free for you that will help that US citizen to save the taxes, like so many strategies that you can definitely suggest to your client, or if you are from the US citizen, so you can implement for yourself as well. So yeah, this is the beauty of this, that the chat gpt that you can use. But make sure that you need to ask a prompt everything, like you can ask, that it is asking for the export a printable format or app based study tool, like quizlet, something that if you need, that you can definitely request ChatGPT to do this for you. And there are that so many, like 18 15 or something, I just forgot. Let me show you. Yeah, you can ask ChatGPT to convert that summary for all the that 17 unit, because that unit 15 is missing from this PDF. So uh, it will create a summary kind of thing for you, and you can use this for the preparing for your examination, like part 1, part 2, or part 3, anything. And if you don't have this that PDF, just I'm going to upload this PDF in the description of this video. Please make sure you download this if you don't have the latest version. And also please note that this video is that kind of applicable only for the 2025-2026 examination. So if you are watching this video later than the 2026, so you might need to upload a new PDF that you can take from the someone else. And also just I will upload the link for to download these PDFs, so you can definitely download from there. And yeah, that's it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. And also, yeah, please share this video for with your friends, so they can also use the chat gpt for preparing for the upcoming examination. And friends, if you can do same thing for your part 2, part 3, anything. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.